Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night, and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. Cause he ain't got nobody to listen. I'm blue, I've been deed, I've been died, 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 I've been deed, I've been died. No more Wi-Fi. Oh no! What's that? Is it a tree? It's so beautiful. No. I'm out of battery.
Whoa. What's this out here?
I don't know. I heard my Fortnite friend talking about them. He called them flowers? No. It was flowers. He called them flowers.
Really?
Aren't they pretty?
I've never seen those before.
I've never seen them in the wild. What is that? Ah, it burns my pale skin.
The hills are alive with the sound of music, with songs they have sung for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart wants to sing every song that it hears. My heart wants to beat like the wings of the birds that rise from the lake to the trees. My heart wants to sigh like a chime that flies from a church on a breeze, to laugh like a brook when it trips and falls over stones, on its way to sing through the night, like a lark who is learning to
I go to the hills when my heart is low.
That's like
Wait a second.
This place reminds me of that game.
Minecraft. Do you think Stampy built that house?
Maybe.
Let's see if I can break this tree.
All right, I'm gonna try it.
It's so beautiful. Ow. There was a bug on my arm. I think it was sucking my blood. Oh no, I don't feel too good. Whoa. What's happening? I think it got me a disease. I think I got tetanus. Nothing green for miles. Oh, so thirsty. Need water. I'm gonna die here.
No water for miles.
You and your friends can take a trip in the forest today as well. Just hop in the car and learn about nature.
Caution. This may cause side effects including vomiting, dizziness, nausea, cuts, bruises, abrasions to your knuckles, loss of blood. Poison ivy, bites, stings. Poison oak, heat exhaustion, thirst, hungriness, sore feet, a sunburn, rashes, a splinter, a sore feeling in your muscles the day after, shortness of breath, salty water appearing on your skin, heat, cold, and
A great time. Come to the forest today.